In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a quote in Stripe. Start by making sure you are already logged into your Stripe dashboard. Once you are on the dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Customers. This will take you to your customer list, where you can view and manage the people or businesses connected to your account. From there, select the customer you want to create a quote for. Open that customer profile so you can access their details. After the customer page loads, scroll down until you find the Quotes section. This is where Stripe stores any quotes associated with that customer. Stripe will open the quote creation page, where you can begin adding the items you want to include. Under Items, click Find or Add a Product. At this point, you can either choose an existing product from your Stripe catalog or create a new one if the item is not already listed. If you need to create a new product, click Add New Product and enter the required details. Once the product is selected, review the pricing and make any necessary adjustments. You can also update the quantity to match exactly what you want to quote for the customer. Take a moment here to confirm that the product information and pricing are correct before moving on. If needed, you can also add a memo for the customer. This is useful for including a short note, special instructions, or any details you want the customer to see along with the quote. Next, expand the Advanced Options section. Here you can configure additional settings for the quote. Depending on your needs, you may want to set an expiration date, apply discounts, or include taxes. Review these options carefully and only add the settings that apply to this particular quote. Once everything has been entered, review the quote summary. Make sure the customer, products, quantity, pricing, and any extra settings all look correct. When you are satisfied with the details, click Create Quote to finish the process. Stripe will then generate the quote for that customer, and you can continue managing it from the customer record as needed. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.